This amp definitely has tons of power. This is the reference 4. The 4 stands for 4 channel. So this is actually the first time I've looked in an AB amp. I've seen some of the, USA amps. So first glance, which we're gonna look into this, it's just a lot cleaner. And then the second part of the video, hopefully you come back, there'll be some testing. But here there is a reference 4 hooked up. I have it just set for mono on one side for right now. We're gonna do a bunch of different tests. We will take some time in different parts to this. So I'm gonna do a 4 ohm. I'm gonna go to track 1, start dyno. We're at 14.21 volts, dropping down to 14.17. And easy 697, no problem. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and I'm just curious what we're gonna do at 2 ohm. Okay, so we jumped up to 989. Let's do uncertified. Uncertified, let's go 4 ohm, 706 watts. I'm gonna pause that. Well, let's do the 2 ohm uncertified. Let's do that. Okay, track 3, start dyno. 2 ohms uncertified, about 14 volts. Wow. 839 at 14 volts. I'm wiring this up stereo, and I'm gonna try to do it without retuning. Now, normally going from mono to stereo, you would still wanna retune the amplifier. I'm gonna do it without and see what kind of power. Okay, let's go to 2 ohms is where it says it gets its power at. I'm gonna go to track 1. We're gonna start dyno, 14.15 volts. Here we go.